We're talking with Jeffrey Verdon of the Jeffrey M. Verdon Law Group. Jeffrey, thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure.
I know your firm is always trying to help your clients protect their assets, as you have a national reputation as an asset protection lawyer. Can you talk to us about that, asset protection, and how you help your clients do so?
As an estate planner, we focus generally on wealth transfer after death to the next generation. We rarely focus on protecting that wealth against the forces of lawyers if a lawsuit happens to arise before they die. So back in 1985, 1986, it became apparent to me that without building the firewalls around our clients' assets in case they get sued during their lifetime, I really haven't accomplished a total estate plan for my client. And we've actually had clients experience some financially ruinous lawsuits, and without the tools in place, there wasn't anything they can do. So we began to approach estate planning from the standpoint that, yes, we want to minimize the taxes, we want to avoid probate, do all the traditional estate planning things that estate planning lawyers do. But in case there's a lawsuit, and look, there's over 100 million lawsuits a year filed in the United States. Litigation has surpassed baseball as a national pastime. And since 2008 and 2009 recessions, the litigation explosion in this country has been unreal, and the vitriol, even amongst people who are relatives, friends, business partners, is something it's unprecedented. So when we approach estate planning, we want to typically put together the protections so if a client does get sued, it's going to make it economically unfeasible for that plaintiff to pursue that individual. And we sit down with the opposing lawyer and we explain what is in place and the difficulty that individual is going to go through in order to reach those assets. They typically will settle. And we have a variety of approaches to achieve those ends.
Jeffrey, besides seeing you here at the Money Show, how would the viewer find out more about your services or speak to you personally?
Well, they can call us on our toll-free number, which is 1-800-521-0464, and ask extension 3, which would go to Susan Jerome, our Director of Client Services, or they can push extension 1 and get to me. We have a very robust website. We put out client alerts periodically, every month or so, on new developments in the tax law or new articles of interest that I think our readers would like to know about in our clients. And they can go to www.jmvlaw, JeffreyMichaelVerdonLaw.com, and go to that website, and all of our contact information is there. But there's a lot of good, rich information about what we do and how we do it on that website.
Well, thank you for being here today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
We've been talking with Jeffrey Verdon of the Jeffrey M. Verdon Law Group. As he's just explained, if you'd like more information, call that toll-free number or go to the website, and someone will be very happy to help you learn more about the services and how they can assist you with your tax planning, your estate planning, your asset protection, and this new HISET trust.